In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Netflix downloads from all devices. If you want to completely remove the downloads that you've made on your Netflix account from all of the devices, make sure you watch this video because I'm exactly going to show you. First things first, open up your Netflix app and head over to the download section, which is on the bottom right. Once you do, it's going to show you all of your downloaded videos. Now you'll have two choices. Either you can delete them individually. If you tap on this pencil icon on the top right, you can individually select the videos and delete them by tapping on the delete on the top right. But if there are a lot of videos that you have downloaded and you want to delete them all at once, you just tap on the profile icon on the top right and then open up app settings. From here, you'll have an option of delete all downloads under the downloads option. You just tap on this option and tap on OK. And there you go. The downloads now have been removed from your Netflix account. This means your downloads will also be removed from any other device that you are logged into. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood. And if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments related to it, make sure you comment down below. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.